Ever wondered how those sleek, never-ending carousels on top-tier websites are made? It looks complex, right? But what if I told you that you could create that same eye-catching effect with just few simple steps of HTML and CSS? Whether you need to showcase your logos or portfolio images, I have got you covered. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a smooth look carousel for both images and logos in your Squarespace website. So let's get started. Let's break down the HTML structure that makes up our smooth loop carousel. Each part of this code plays a specific role in creating that seamless scrolling effect. Head over to the website, click on Edit, click on Add Block. We will take a code block and drag it across the section of the website. Click on Edit. We start with a div that has the class marquee wrapper. This is essentially the container that holds our entire carousel. Think of it as a frame that keeps all the images or logos in one place and controls what you can see on the screen. Inside this wrapper, we have another div with the class marquee. This is where the magic happens. The marquee div contains all the images or logos that will scroll across the screen. It's responsible for holding and animating the content within the wrapper. Next, we have individual div elements with the class marquee item. Each of these divs represents a single item in the carousel, whether it's a logo or an image. We will be adding our images inside these marquee item blocks. Inside each marquee item, we have a figure element with the class member image wrapper. The figure tag is great for wrapping around an image and provide meaning to our code, making it easier to style and manage. Finally, inside the figure, we have our image tag. This is where you place the actual image that will be the part of the carousel. The image tag has two attributes: source, which points to the location of the image file, and alt, which provides a description of the image for accessibility purpose. Now we need to replace this with the actual image of the URL. Click on Close, save it. Go to the custom CSS. Now we are going to upload the image file over here. As you can see, our image is being uploaded. Click on Image. Here you can see the URL of the image. Copy it. Click on Save. Go back to the Edit and paste the URL of the image over here. As you can see, our image is showing in the background. So this structure repeats for each image or logo you want to include in Carousel. The marquee div will handle the animation and scroll all these items smoothly across the screen. Now copy the above structure and paste again and again. And that's how you set up the basic HTML for a smooth loop carousel. It's a clean and simple structure, but it's powerful when paired with the right CSS to bring it to the life. Now click on Close and save it. Now that we have our HTML structure ready, now let's move towards the CSS. This is where the real magic happens. In the final step, the CSS code I have written will control everything from the scrolling speed to the image size and the smooth transition effect. Now you just need to copy this code and paste it in the custom CSS section and click on Save. As you can see, the images scroll smoothly across the screen, creating an eye-catching feature for any Squarespace site. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Leave a comment if you have any question. I will see you in the next video.